Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use TurboTax for tax law compliance, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open the TurboTax application or visit the TurboTax website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, create a new one by providing the necessary information. Once logged in, select the option to start a new tax return. Choose the type of return you need, federal, state, or both. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information accurately. Provide details about your income, including W-2s, 1099s, and other earnings. TurboTax will guide you through entering any deductions or credits you qualify for. Make sure to input any investment income or review the questions provided by TurboTax to ensure all income sources are captured. Once you input all necessary data, TurboTax will calculate your estimated taxes. Review the calculations and check for any alerts regarding tax law compliance. If you receive any warnings, read the guidance provided to understand the issue. Address any compliance alerts by revisiting the specific sections of your input. Utilize TurboTax's built-in resources for explanations of tax law changes. After confirming your data is correct, proceed to the review section. Thoroughly review the entire return for accuracy, ensuring all information aligns with tax law. When satisfied, choose to e-file or print your return. If e-filing, follow the secure steps to submit your tax return online. Keep a copy of your completed return for your records. Finally, check your email for confirmation of your e-file submission. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.